Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the Radrunner series. In today's video, we're going to be installing a light kit that includes front and rear lights, also includes a horn, turn signals front and rear. It's a complete kit and it's plug and play. That's the best part about it. So this is the entire kit right here. And as you can see, we've got the rear lights with an integrated brake light, which is a really nice function, turn signals, front turn signals, very bright 9-watt headlights. So normally you can't run that much power through the lights, but this does not use the lighting circuit. So it bypasses it. It actually uses direct battery power. And then we've got a handlebar mounted control center that allows even a hazard light, which is pretty cool. So that all plugs in just with this one cable. And if you notice, it's the exact same as the blue cable that you have on your controllers. So this will work with a stock controller. It'll even work with one of the modified 35 amp controllers like we just installed in the first video. The only thing that you have to do is plug it in. And once it's plugged in, this whole kit is ready to go. So we're going to mount everything up, plug it into our controller, and then we're going to test it out. Let's see how it goes. Good for the viewer. The male is the left. Just makes it a little bit easier. Male is left. So if you don't know which side you're putting in, now you know. All right guys, and just like that, we've got a fully functional light setup on this Radrunner. We've got the turn signals, hazards are on right now, super bright front headlight. It's even got a horn and works pretty good. So not a very difficult installation. Like we said, plugs right into the controller and everything is there. This will definitely make you more confident when you're riding at night. If you kind of want to interact with traffic, turn left, turn right. But it's just nice that it just plugs right in. So we specifically worked with the manufacturers so that they would plug in right into the controller and everything works from there. You don't even have to worry about the lighting circuit. It's running off the battery and it's all controlled right from the handlebar. So yeah, I think it's pretty awesome. So this is our second of a 3-part video series. We got the controller on, we've got the lighting kit on. Next one we're going to do is going to be the extension battery. So if you like this one, make sure to check out the other one. If you haven't seen the controller video, make sure to go back and check that one out. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. keep it on 2 wheels. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to drop a comment. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you'd like to see. We want to hear about it. And if you want to watch another video, click on this one right here. Or if you want to see what kind of e-bike stuff that we've got, check out this link right here.